Good
What?
evening.
No.
No?
No.
What happened?
No. My dear.
How are you today, my Ayla?
It is today.
How are
It
you
is
today?
it pen today. Pen today is back. Okay?
It's Pan.
Pen talk.
Pen
Penny
talk.
pen talk.
Oh, wait. Where's my pen? Oh, no pen.
Oh, happy.
How are you today?
I am happy and happy.
Wow, you're happy today. What did you eat for dinner?
엄마 소고기랑 밥이요. 영어로 뭐야?
Beef and rice.
Beef and rice. Beef and rice.
Beef and rice? Wow,
엄마
that is so yummy. Teacher, eat pork soup. Pork soup and rice. Yes, it's so yummy too.
나 여기까지. 아니 어디요?
Oh, teacher has no sharpener. Only the pen. Only pen. Pen talk only.
My pants.
Pencil.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, what did you do today?
소고기.
You ate sogugi?
쌀.
Ah, sogugi. Oh, did you go to school today, my Ayla?
Yes.
Oh,
아이라 너 했어.
oh,
pen.
you say, yes, I went to school today.
Yes, I wanted to go today.
Okay.
My baby sister. My baby sister.
Don't don't bother your brother. Kai is doing something.
My baby sister.
Yes. Do you have baby sister?
금도이.
Oh, Ayla. Do you have a baby sister?
Yes, baby sister. 가만히. Baby sister.
Kai is baby
도희야,
sister?
너를 우리 선생님이 찾아.
Ah, how about Luca?
루카, 은유라. 도희랑 은유리를.
Luca, is that your baby brother?
도희야, 은유라, 너희 들어와야 돼. 선생님이 찾아. 누나 선생님, 언니랑 누나
Ayla,
루카.
Ayla.
루카 이게. my.
Hi.
너 영어 이름 뭐야?
Ah, is that your Zoe?
Joey.
Hi,
Yeah.
Zoe. Are you cousin of Ayla? Ayla
My.
cousin. Oh, 잠깐만.
Luca.
cousin.
Luca.
Sachin. Ayla.
영어 이름 뭐야? 루카.
Hi, Luca.
루카.
Yes, Luca. Okay. Oh, Ayla, let's go to the book now, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
여기 앉아. 우리
Okay. 잠깐만요.
네. 나도 이인데. 나도 이야. 이제 잠깐만. 너희 여기 앉아. 너희 여기 앉아.
Huh?
너희 여기 앉아.
Wait. Winter.
도희야, 잠깐만. 도희, 누가 저기.
Okay. Isla, let's go.
Okay.
Okay. What's her name again? Zoe?
Yes, Chloe.
Zoe. Okay. Zoe and Isla will learn a picture today. Zoe and Isla, can you tell teacher what can you see in the picture?
나와, 눈에 나와.
Isla,
Okay.
Isla, what's in the picture?
What?
What is this?
뭐야, 돼?
엄마 여기 뭔 말이야?
뭐냐?
Uh,
여기
what is this?
Snowman.
snowman.
Okay. Oh, you say it is a snowman.
It is a snowman.
Yes. Do you know what is this?
엄마 당근이 영어로 뭐야?
That is a vegetable. It's color orange. Do you know that? Ayla? It starts with letter C. It's a vegetable. It's color orange. Rabbit loves to eat it. Carrot. Okay? Carrot.
Carrot.
Yes. What is the snowman doing?
엄마 스키가 영어로 뭐야?
Ski. Skiing.
스키.
Yes, ski. Skiing.
스키. 스키.
Okay, next one.
Yeah, game.
Let's play a game. Look at the picture. Fireplace. Let's say fireplace.
Fireplace.
Oh, wait. Go on. Snow.
Snow.
Skiing.
Ski.
Okay. Again, fireplace.
Fireplace.
Snow.
Snow.
Skiing.
Ski.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What is missing?
Fire.
Fire. Play.
Fireplace.
Yes, fireplace. Okay, next one. 1, 2, 3. What is missing?
Ski.
Skiing. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. What is missing?
Snow.
Snow. Very good. Next one. Snowman.
Cold.
Snowman.
Cold.
Here first. Snowman.
Snowman.
Where's your pen?
Cold.
Cold. Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. What is missing?
Polar bear.
Oh, very good. 1, 2, 3, go. What is missing?
Snowman.
Very good. 1, 2, 3. What is missing? 1,
Cold.
2. Oh, cold. Okay, very good. Good job. Oh, another game. Word search. Oh, number 1. What is this?
Oh my gosh.
Number 1. It's snow. Number 1, snow. Find the snow. 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 Where's the snow? The word snow. 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 Ooh. Wrong. Listen to teacher. Oh. Ooh. Snow. Snow. The first letter is S. Oh, snowman? Snowman is number 3. Okay, this is snowman number 3. Check. Oh, what else? Where's the snow? Only snow. Snow. Pippity, puppity, 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 puppity. Where is the snow? Mm, mm. Very good. Oh, only this one. Only this one. Only in this part. Okay. Number 2. Number 2.
I want
Uh, oh, jump, come on. Ching, ching, ching. Here. Okay.
make a tree.
Skiing. 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 Where is skiing? Where is skiing? Skiing. Very good. Good job. Check. Number 4. Fireplace.
What?
F, f, fire. Fireplace. 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 Oh, only here. Again, only here. Place has only one E at the last. Okay, again. Only one E. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Oh, very
I
good. Fireplace. Number 5. What is this?
terrible.
Polar bear. Polar bear. Wow, very good. Check. Last one, number 6. So easy. What is number 6? What is number 6? Number 6 is cold.
But
Cold.
cold 어디 있어?
Old. 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 Let's look for old. 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 Cold. Cold. Where is the cold? Very good. Okay, good job. We did it all. Let's check. Skiing, check. Snow, check. Snowman, check. Cold, check. Polar bear, check. And fireplace. Very good. This time we will go into color.
Yay.
Okay, answer the picture first. What is this? Or what is it? Do you know this one? Egemongayo. What is it?
No.
Snow. Oh, what color are you using? What
Blue.
color? Blue. Mint blue or
No.
sky blue?
Sky blue.
Okay, sky blue. Let's color it. Ching, 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 ching. Christmas is coming to
Freeze.
town.
엄마.
Mm.
도와주세요, 쌤.
Santa Claus is coming to town. La, la.
Freeze.
Okay. Erase?
This is.
Okay. Our teacher will help you. Tune,
Yay.
tune, 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 tune. Tune, 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 tune. Okay. Wow. Last one. Last one. Okay. Very good. Okay, it's done. Good job. High five. Do you like snow? Do you like
Yeah.
snow? Wow. I like snow too. But here, no snow. We don't
Yeah.
have snow. What is it, Ayla?
Hello there.
Polar bear. Oh, what color are you using?
What?
White. Let's color it white. White is a white color. Polar bear is a wild animal. It's already white. Okay. Finish?
No.
Not
Please.
yet. Okay. You say finish if you're finished, okay? Chung,
Okay.
chung, 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 chung. Do you like polar bear, Ayla? Hmm?
Yeah. Fine there.
Wow. Okay. Next. Done?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next one. What is it?
Fire.
Place.
Fireplace.
What color are you using for the fireplace? What color?
Red.
Red. Okay. Let's color the flame, the fire red. Ching, 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 ching. Ding, 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 ding.
Ting, 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 ting,
Wow!
ting, ting, ting.
Yay! How about this one? What color is this? Let's color it brown. Here. This part. The wall. Let's color the wall brown. Okay.
This is brown.
Yes. This is brown too. Okay. Uh, teacher will color it brown. Okay.
Brown.
Wow. Oh, it's already done. Yay. Good job. Next one.
Oh, no, red.
Uh, what is it? What is it? Oh, what is it?
Snowman.
Snowman. Oh, what color are you using for the snowman? Snowman is color. This is Isla's snowman or this is Isla's snowman? This is yours. This is Isla. Isla's snowman. This is for teacher. The other snowman is for teacher. Okay. The nose is orange because it's a carrot. Okay. What color is the scarf? What color is your scarf? Mine is green. I like green. The scarf of my snowman is green. Okay. How about yours? The color of the scarf. Color of the scarves of your snowman. Mint. Oh, your favorite color. Wow. How about the bonnet, the cap or the hat? Mine is purple. Oh, yours is, what color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Ten, 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 ten. Oh, it's already done. Wow. How about the girl? You color the girl scarf, the girl coat, the girl shoes, and the girl hat. Go. What is the scarf of the girl? It's a big nose. Let's go. 10 to 10 to 10, 10, 10. What do you like to be? This is Ayla. Wow, this is Ayla. What color is the scarf of Ayla? The scarf, this one.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay. Go on. 10 to 10 to 10, 10, 10.
여행 가요? 못 보는데? 사장님 좀 있어야 되겠다, 내일.
Okay. What color is that? Ayla, what is the color of the scarf? Wow. How about the coat? The coat and the shoes. Oh.
얘 파마하고 한 거 아니지? 그냥 머리지. 그래?
Wow. Wow. Okay. You tell teacher what is the color of the scarf of your picture here. What color is this? The scarf. Ayla, the scarf is color. Is that purple? Purple. Okay. You say the scarf is color purple.
Its color is purple.
Yes. How about the hat? What is the color of the hat?
Pink.
Pink. And the shoes? The shoes?
Orange.
Orange. How about the mittens?
Pink.
Orange too? The
Orange.
gloves? The gloves? And the coat, what is the color of the coat? It is
Mint.
mint. Oh, so it has same color. Oh, you changed the color? You changed it into blue. Okay, good job. Wow. Ta-da. Dun, dun, dun. Good job. Thumbs up. Okay. Oh, goodbye. Wow, we already done or finished the unit 1, the book 1 of winter. Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? Okay. Teacher asked again. What is this again?
Terrible.
Polar bear. Do you like polar bear?
Yes.
Okay. On Monday, we are going to have the lesson 2 of winter. Okay?
Okay.
See you on Monday. Happy weekend. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ayla. Where's your pen? Bye-bye. 1, 2. Bye, Zoe. 1, 2, 3.